Hello dear students, how are you? Today we will discuss worksheet number 46 class 9 science tissues, simple permanent tissues collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma हम पहले कर चुके हैं. जिज्ञासा दीदी, what gives flexibility to the plant and what make them strong? Kyan, as we know that along with the parenchyma there are collenchyma and sclerenchyma, simple permanent tissues present in the plant. Collenchyma tissues provides flexibility to the plant and sclerenchyma tissues makes them hard and stiff. Collenchyma tissues, it can be observed in a cross section of a leaf stalks below the epidermis. आप देख सकते हैं इनको. Cells of these tissues are living and elongated. Mean यह है कि living होते हैं और elongated होते हैं. Cells walls are irregular, thickened at the corner due to the deposition of pectin in it. Pectin deposit होता है दो cells के बीच में. Due to this deposition, there is a very little intercellular space in them. Flexibility in plant is due to the presence of collenchyma tissues. It also provides mechanical support to plant. यानी अगर हम पत्तियों को ऐसे मोड़ते हैं, उनके डंठल को मोड़ते हैं तो वो वापस पोजीशन में आती हैं. That is because of collenchyma tissue flexibility देता है, टूटता नहीं है part. Sclerenchyma, mature cells of these tissues are dead, long and narrow. Mean characteristics है ये dead होते हैं cells. Cell walls of these tissues get thickened by the deposition of chemical compound named lignin, due to which there is no intercellular space between present in them. It makes the plant hard and stiff and provides strength to plants. This tissue is present in stem around vascular bundles in veins of leaves and hard covering of fruits, seeds and nuts. Husk of coconut is also made up of these tissue. अगर आपने देखना है कि टिश्यू कितना हार्ड होता तो आप नारियल की छिलके को देख लें. It is of two types, fiber and sclerites. Here you can see. Now let us discuss some question. Name two simple permanent tissues besides parenchyma tissues. यानी parenchyma tissues के अतिरिक्त और कौन से दो tissues हैं. Collenchyma and sclerenchyma are two simple permanent tissues beside parenchyma tissues. यानी कि तीन simple tissues हैं, collenchyma, sclerenchyma and parenchyma. यानी आपको collenchyma, sclerenchyma लिखना है. Where is sclerenchyma tissues present in the plants and what is its function? Sclerenchyma tissue is present in stems around vascular bundles in veins of leaves and hard covering of fruits, seeds and nuts. Sclerenchyma tissues makes the plant hard and stem and provide strength to plants. Question number 3. Why does cell wall of the mature sclerenchyma tissues get thickened? Cell walls of these tissues get thickened by the deposition of a chemical compound named lignin, due to which there is no intercellular space present in them. Question number 4. Where is collenchyma tissues located in plant and what is its function? Answer. Collenchyma tissues can be observed in cross section of leaf stalks below the epidermis. Flexibility in plant is due to the presence of collenchyma tissues. Its main function of collenchyma tissues is to give support and flexibility. Now question number 5. Differentiate between collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissues. Collenchyma tissues provide flexibility to plants. Cells of collenchyma tissues are living and elongated. Sclerenchyma tissues make the plant hard and stiff and provide strength to the plant. Mature cells of these tissues are dead, long and narrow.